I've just ordered my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and got this Spigen case delivered from Amazon for the added protection. So this is a armor case with kickstand beneath it. Let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. So this is how it looks like from inside. It is made from a very sturdy material, and you can see like tough armor grade protection over here, and clear cut lenses for the camera protection. And this is the kickstand which I was talking about. So once you have the phone, all you have to do is just insert the phone and use it as a kickstand like this. If you want to watch some videos, play some games, so it is really comfortable and works like in almost every single direction. So this is how it looks from the back, inside, and sides are also really tough and sturdy. So I have mentioned the link in the description. Please check it out. Thank you.